Hello, Steve speaking. Who are you?
Danny from Housing Repair Team regarding your housing problems that you have reported.
Oh, okay, cool.
Do you have any housing problem like damp, mold, cracks, or water leakage?
Well, it's disagreeing on because of the roof and everything, and it's handles.
Please say that again.
Yeah, I said on the because of the road. Tack, tack, tack,
Please
tack.
hold the line for a second. I can connect your call to my supervisor. He will assist you further.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Hi there.
Yeah, hi there. Good afternoon. How are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. This is me, Adam, from the housing repair. Your call is transferred to me regarding the housing issues, please. Can you please just confirm me that what sort of problem you have in the property?
Yeah, it's 25 Stretton Hill. That's on Bridge Street, and the postcode it's gave
Sorry, can you...
Trent.
No, I'm asking what sort of problem you have in the property.
Oh, sorry, I thought you asked the address. Sorry, the line's not very clear. So we in the kitchen and living room strengthened, groved the roof, and then that
Yeah,
goes
that
down
wall
to
in the kitchen and the living room.
yeah, so the back wall of the kitchen, and the garage is sort of joined on, so it's empty, clans of squans. But I don't know if that's sort of something that's covered or if that's just something we need to get fixed ourselves.
All right. And I'm asking the damp and mold is just in the living room or kitchen, or is there anywhere else?
To on the kitchen in the front
And what about the living room? What about the bathroom and the bedroom?
uh we got four bathrooms. So the bathroom one, and then bathroom three is fine. There's nothing there at all, and then bathroom four, there is some on the top, but then in the shower's
And
fine in that room, so it doesn't really affect the shower in the fourth bathroom.
there is any kind of water leak in the property, like when the rain is coming.
Water
Is
leak?
it
No, oh no, no,
water
no,
leak in the house?
no. It's very watertight. There's no issues like that.
And there is any other problem, like any condensation, flooding, any boiler problem?
The boiler's fine. I think there's probably condensation, which or it might be the cause of some of the mold. I guess really.
And this property belongs to the council or housing association?
It's got dressing and it's North Trenton.
Sorry, can you say that again? Your line is still breaking.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's not a very good line, is it? I'm saying it's North. It's, but we've been here about 5 years now.
I can't hear you properly, mate. I'm asking this property belongs to the council or housing association.
Yeah, I just told you.
Yeah, who is your landlord?
Well, I just said it's not North. It's. I mean, I can get
I
their
don't understand what
address.
you
I
said.
can get the address off the website if you need it.
No, we don't.
Don't you? Okay.
I'm asking who is your landlord?
Yeah, I don't know the name of the person because it's dealt with by the council, isn't it?
The council property.
Yeah, yeah. So there's no single
Okay.
landlord. There's no person.
Okay. So, like I'm saying, like it's a council property, correct? It's not a, there isn't any private person. Yeah.
Well, I'm yeah because we rent it through the person that's got the property on the gas board. He works for the gas board, so I don't know if that's legal.
Like I'm asking,
Yeah.
The person gave you this property or the company gave you this property?
No, because we moved in 2016 houses, and then before.
I'm asking the person gave you this property or the company gave you this property?
Yeah, I'm trying to explain. So we moved 20 connection. So he owns
But
it.
the person gave you this property.
Yeah, Mr. Mr.
The man
Greg.
gave you this property.
Yeah.
Alright, that's fine. No problem. Well, I noticed your issue. Let me get more details for you, then I'll speak to you.
Okay, I love you very much, by the way. Can I just say that you've got a beautiful voice?